Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to check plagiarism in Quillbot. To check for plagiarism in Quillbot, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the search bar, type in quillbot.com and click on enter. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. Or if you are new to Quillbot, you can create a new account. Now, go to Quillbot Plagiarism Checker tool. On this dashboard here, look for Plagiarism Checker and click on it. The Plagiarism Checker is a premium feature, so you will need a paid Quillbot subscription to use it. After you have upgraded your plan, you can either paste the text you want to check or upload a document. After that, click on Scan to check for copied content. Quillbot will compare your text against online sources and database to detect plagiarism. So, that is how you can check plagiarism in Quillbot. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.